Hi, this is Chris. I'm up in Northern California doing some bocce deliveries, checking on some landscape projects. And so I'm actually in Pleasanton. And I saw this really nice waterfall. In case you're wondering, they're using reclaimed water with a treatment in it. You have a green dye in it. That's why the water has a little bit of a green hue to it. But it's a great use of reclaimed water. At least it's not fresh water. And it adds a lot of value to the entryway of the development. So in here you see a lot of large boulders with flat surfaces. Typically these boulders would come from Utah or Montana, depending upon the type of rock you wanted. There is a limited amount of this material in California. So there's a nice blocky one right over there, and then underneath the water. It's often called Gold Country Rock. There's a few veins at the quarry that fracture really well, flat edges on them. If you wind up with these pieces like that, they have a really nice flat, smooth side. So you see more of it up here up top. And you see the Gold Country Rock has a natural light green hue to it, but then it'll often have a really nice patina of a rusty bronze to gold. See if I can get it in over there. So predominantly green, but available hand selected with a nice bronze, brown, or gold patina mineral cover to the rock. That's a lot what you're seeing in the waterfall over here, is that they've hand selected the bronzy green, bronzy brown or gold to show and turn the green into the water. Because it's right here in California, it makes a really good value. Of course, if you were needing a huge amount of rock like that, you would need to bring it down from Montana. In California, we just don't have any quarries that fracture rock that way, or where the rock fractures readily in these rectangular or square shapes. So again, Gold Country Rock.